Hi friends, it's Maya and you're watching Something Better. We are going to show you how to use an air fryer. Here we go. So this piece goes in here. Okay.
What you
So
do
this
is
is
toss it with a little bit of oil and seasoning.
so okay. This is the first time I'm going to be using an air fryer to do this. Let's just get going. So I got some of my potatoes ready. I slice them thin like this. You need to do that so that they kind of crisp up. And let's get some salt.
You should put some olive oil first.
Oh,
Just a little bit.
let's get some olive oil on here. Okay. And you always want to put oil
Just a little.
when you're doing.
Because you just want the seasonings to stick, right?
Oh, okay.
So kind of just use your hands, fold that
And
up.
fold that out. Okay. Okay.
What you want? Pepper.
Yeah, some salt.
Do you want pepper or parsley?
No thanks. It's supposed to be like a. Okay. All right. So
Is that everything?
that's everything. So can I put in a whole bunch, or I just want to crisp fries?
Well, that's the thing. I've never done it like this, so we'll just test that out first.
Okay. So is this on right now?
Yeah, so I just hit
It's
the button.
It's plugged in, or?
Yeah, it's plugged in. So this one, the snowflake means to cook it from frozen for 20 minutes at 350.
Okay.
Right? This one says fries 360 for 25 to 30 minutes.
That's long.
But that's fries. Right?
Okay.
So I like to preheat it, right? So this is the temperature. So they're saying 360. Boom.
Oh, so you
Right?
Oh, that's temperatures. Okay.
And
And so
then-
this is how you adjust the temperatures up
Yes,
and down.
I think it goes up by 10. And then now this is the time. So you can go up or down, right?
Okay.
So I obviously air fry and then press it. So right now it's going for 21 minutes. I let it preheat for about 2 to 3 minutes, right? You can hear it.
So that's preheated.
Yeah, it's preheating. I call it preheating. So say it's telling you 25 minutes, right? But I like to preheat for 3 minutes. So technically I should have set it for 26, 7, 8, 28 minutes, right? But again, like say if you're going here, you could just add another minute.
Okay. So when you plug it in, you just press the start button and then adjust the temperature.
Yeah.
Okay. So what am I doing now?
So there's air fry, roast, dehydrate, and reheat. So obviously I just press air fry,
Okay.
right? So the chamber is getting a little warm. It's pulling everything from here. I like this being on here. It's gonna get a little warm, but not too much. I don't want to put it on that.
On the counter space?
Yeah. Another place that I found which probably works better when you're doing highly fatty foods is going to be you put it on top of the stove and turn on the fan. Because when I did a steak in it, steak came out amazing, perfectly tender, perfectly juicy, but it did vent into the air, which set off the alarm,
Oh, okay.
right? So that's what I was just telling them.
All right.
So let that go. You grab your stuff, you have it, everything's wet.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna pull it out. Obviously, it's gonna get hot.
What's gonna get hot? The basket?
Yeah, obviously the basket's hot.
Oh,
You
okay.
might want a little.
Like the handle? Oh, the handle doesn't get hot. Oh, okay.
Right? Like, my whole thing is I'm like, okay, I want easy and I want simple. And I don't want it to take forever and I want the texture. So anything that you could do a steak in 10 minutes where you literally just pop it in, go shower, come out. The only thing is that our style is like you typically, you put something in and then you go mess around for an hour and a half, like the ADHD brain. You do that, you'll burn something. So it's just a different type of cooking. So say for example, like if in the morning you wanted to do something and you want to set your coffee, you know you're going to be in the room for like 8 to 10 minutes, that's when you do it. Don't walk away from it.
Okay, but if you have an ADHD brain,
Yeah.
you can actually walk away.
No,
If
don't
it's at
walk
the
away.
Let's see. So now it's warm. Oh, so it's like a frying pan.
Yeah, essentially.
Okay, so we're putting the potatoes in.
Yeah. So obviously you want to kind of like spread it out just for like even wise. And then you see how I just pulled it out and the timer's still going?
Oh,
Technically you're supposed to pause it, but like I don't care. And then what I could do, 20 minutes, alright, cool. In 20 minutes, let that go. Pull it out when you're ready to see exactly what's happening. And then kind of just take it from there.
Okay, now when I'm doing this on the stove top, it takes me literally 5 minutes to fry up these bad boys. So why would I use 20 minutes for this?
Okay, fair enough. If it's a quick thing in the pan, cool, I get it. Do that. For me, I don't want to stand over hot oil, right? And then on top of that, it's like, okay, you're not really frying it. It's air fried, so you're using less oil, which means less of the carcinogens. You get what I'm saying? Associated with it.
Okay, so this can.
Yeah, so I did my steak here at 10 minutes. So that was 5 minutes per side. So that's why when I walked away, all of a sudden I went downstairs to go play video games. The thingy went off. And I was like, what the hell is happening? Flipped it over. And even when I cut it, Kendra was like, oh my God. It's like the fact that I could use a butter knife to cut it.
You can bake in it?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? Okay. And so, where's the baking tray?
That's the thing. No, it just came with a 2-layer.
Oh,
so, like, this is the second layer.
This is the second layer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just put it on. Like, sometimes when people are, like, dehydrating because people do jerky in it, like, it comes with, like, a little book bag where it tells you what you can make. So you just want, like, the 2 heights, put it in there, and then you press dehydrate. And yes, it takes hours, but it does what it's supposed to do.
Okay. So now this is 18. It's going to be, so now it's at 18 minutes. Or 8, yeah.
Yeah, it's counting down. If you want to do a comparison, just cut it up and see what happens.
I'm going to cut it up, and I'm going to cut up mine's, fry it up, and then on the stove top, and then we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Oh, so you just pull it out, and
Yeah.
Okay. This time she push.
Yeah. Most times I don't, but like I'm getting used to it.
Okay. And then it
You get what I'm saying?
But it looks pretty good. Okay. Let's cut up some more, and then we'll compare.
But just so you can kind of see the color.
All right.
To be honest, it looks like you could create like potato chips in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what this is. Potato chips. That's what it is. That's how we make potato chips in Jamaica.
It was amazing.
Okay, so how long was that?
We got less than 8 minutes left.
Less than 8, so less than 10 minutes. Well, maybe 10 minutes. But nice and crispy. Oh yes, baby.
Watch out, it's hot.
Okay.
How does it taste? Should I put it back in?
No. Maybe 5 more minutes?
Yeah, not a lot.
I think 5 more minutes is going to be too long.
So I'll put 3. At 360, right?
When it's done, does it automatically shut off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And I won't have
That's
to...
the thing. You can, if you leave it in, it will continue to keep it like warm, obviously, because it's still cooling down.
But it will stop at the 5 minutes.
Yeah, it shuts off, but again, like any oven, it's gonna remain warm.
Is there like a dinner at the back?
No.
No vent?
No, it vents. Wait, does it vent through the back or is it the top?
Jack, you need to pull that from the wall.
Oh yeah, you're right. Bomba.
There's a vent and it's very hot, so you need to
Yeah,
put it from
so
the
this
wall.
one and this one.
Yeah, so...
But that's what I'm saying. I think the best place for it is onto the stovetop.
Oh, for the deep fry?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so that's that, right? Obviously, it's a non-stick coating, and you want to protect it, and you don't want to use anything abrasive against it. So what I do, I just fill it with water, put 2 pumps of Dawn soap in it, let it sit. I usually put it back in there, let it sit.
When it sits wet?
Yeah, like with the water, filled up with water, just like, because you're usually like baking or frying stuff in it.
Oh, okay.
So at the bottom, you'll see all like the remnants. You can kind of see what's stuck on here.
Okay.
So I know I'm not going to use it again. 2 pumps of Dawn dish soap, fill it up with water, pop it back in when I'm ready, pour it out, use the soft side of a brush, and then just wipe it down, and you're good to go.
Okay.
Super easy, like less than 2 minutes. No joke.
My thing is finished going. We already ate the one from...
8 minutes in.
So that's it, my friends. Now you know how to use an air fryer. Is it worth it? You tell me. You go out and get one and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching.